It was a choppy market, but I capitalized in one trade, a short. Let's jump right into it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Franco with Trading Futures Live. I want to review my trade from today, September the 6th. And I want to point out that the market was moving and I was very patient waiting for the opportunity. I had to skip a couple of setups that I had, especially for shorts, because the internals were not aligned at the time of the zone, when the zone came into play. But I think that's a good thing, right? I didn't take them because they didn't work. I ended up taking the 133 and it ended up working. So this is my trade, right? It was around 1109. So I ended up shorting here limit order, and my target was here. Actually it was 12,060, like a couple of ticks above this line, and it was tapped. You can go ahead and check the recording for the live stream. I put a chapter on YouTube, so you can go ahead and directly to the trade to see when I took it. It tapped my order and started to go back up, and I do think I thought that this pivot was very powerful. It was indeed, but I would have gotten target. I sacrificed half of R, and I sacrificed it because I saw the internals were changing. So I said, all right, so I'm not gonna sacrifice here because they didn't fill me out. I'm gonna close this market, and that is what I ended up doing. I do like to wait for the targets to be filled, but at this point, when your order is already tapped and they didn't fill you out, I don't think it's worth to just suffer a huge pullback. So yes, if I wouldn't have closed it here, I would have gotten target, but so tight. Look at where my target was. So it was tight after this. The market went up and I would have gotten break even. Now the area ended up working for a big move. I think like 6 to 1. And I want to talk about that. I usually, and depending on the setup, right? But I'm trying to get better at holding my winners. But if I don't have the best entry, it's hard to hold your winners because the pullback will come and you will suffer through it, right? But it's something that I'm working very hard to get. All right, so regarding the internals, it was very negative. It started to bounce back up, and here's where I got filled. It was a good location, and here the tick chart was trending down on the topping pattern here. It created an exhaustion pattern and started to go down right from here. So I think it was a good setup. It was a textbook setup for myself, though. All right, very short video. I just took one trade, and I do think I did have the opportunity long at 969, but I didn't take it. But it did work for a nice 4.5 to 1. So I want to be conservative now that I'm recouping from last week. That was not a good week for me. I think I'm regaining my confidence and I can go back to my regular size later this week. So with that, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification button so you can get notified every time I go live. And that will be at least twice a day, 8:45 for the pre-market analysis and 9:25 for the live trading session. All right, thank you. Bye.